Hello, everybody. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me for another throwback video. Now, this one isn't from too long ago. I believe this one is from April of 2024. So, actually, not that long ago, but I do love this piece. It is video number 651, I think. Yes, that's right. Video number 651. I will link it at the end of the video, the last 10 seconds where videos pop up. Now, if you hear anything noisy in the background, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a bunch of fireworks happening. It's been going on for over an hour now because I believe it is the celebration of Diwali, and yet there are tons and tons of fireworks happening. It's been going on forever. Luckily, the dogs are not scared of the sounds of the fireworks. But anywho, back to the painting. So I really, really, really love this black and white color split using these pinky purples. Um, I I love it a lot, so that's why I decided to do a throwback on this painting. Um, let's see what's going on today. So you guys are watching this on Tuesday, October 21st. And let me give you an update on the basement. Now, I know I keep telling you guys and giving you guys verbal updates, and you probably haven't really seen much of what's going on. Um, I do post things more on Facebook because it's just much easier to post there. So I post stories and reels of just updates that are happening, but I know a lot of people aren't on Facebook. So I will try to post like a story, or whatever they call it. Now it's just escaping my mind here on YouTube. Shorts. Thank you. Nope, there's my brain. It kicked in. A YouTube short, and I'll try and post an update within the next day or so, and show you guys what's going on. So let me tell you though what's going on. So floors were done last week, but they had to return today to finish the stairs because the stairs take a lot longer because they're done a special way, custom stairs or whatever. So those were done today. And if you are on Facebook, you will see the story of and a picture of the stairs. So stairs were done today. So that means flooring is entirely finished down in the basement. And I'm happy to say that the company that actually did the flooring for my basement is actually none other than the owner from Krystal Resin. So the owner at Krystal Resin has another business where they do flooring, kitchen, tile work, renovations, that kind of thing. And they specialize in flooring and kitchen cabinets and stuff like that. So I reached out to the owner and at Krystal Resin, and I said, hey, I know you're doing this other business that you have going. And I said, come and do my floors. So I hired Dell Design. That's what they're called, Dell Design, and they sent their crew up and got the floors done, and I'm super happy with the floors. And again, I'll show you guys all of this soon enough when the studio is fully done and I give you guys a tour. So today was day 3 of my dad being up. Tomorrow he is leaving, and so he's only here for 4 days, and he worked his butt off. He didn't get it all done, but he got the essentials of what I need completed in order to start unpacking and, start doing videos again in my studio. So he worked on trim and doors and baseboards. And then he built me my new art table. I'm so excited. He totally built me a brand new 6 by 8 foot art table. And he's built me tables before, but this is by far the best one he's done for me yet. I'm super excited, and it's just how I want it. It is like perfectly level. My last table wasn't level because, it had been chopped in half and rebuilt because I moved to that, little townhouse and whatever. So it wasn't perfect. But this one, This one, I'm telling you, is perfection. I cannot wait to put my Lolivefe mats on it and start painting. So he built the table, and then we put up the shelves that you usually see behind me that has all the Lolivefe bottles and the Amsterdam paints, but we had to adjust them because the shelves that went across the entire back of the wall at the place I just moved out of, the wall that I'm putting them on wasn't as long. So my dad had to adjust for that, and he redid them, and they're up on the wall. So the shelves are ready for my Amsterdam paints and my Lolivefe bottles. I still need to find a home for the shelving that has my TLP piggies on them. So I got to work on figuring out where I want that. But it is starting to come together, and I cannot wait. There's still a lot of work to do, though. There is. I mean, it's a mess down there. I mean, I'm gonna try and take a video and put it up as a short for you guys to see, but or even just a regular video. It's insane. There's sawdust everywhere. It's a mess. I'm going to spend tomorrow basically cleaning because again, it's my dad's last day. He's going to work on building a shelf in the garage for me so that I can put up all my excess stuff and Christmas stuff up high so it's not on the garage floor, so I can make space to finally get my Eon laser Mira unpacked and plugged in and start making spinners again. So I know there is a long list of people who are on the waiting list for pre-orders of spinners. So I'm hoping within the next 2 weeks or so, I can start making spinners, only because I'm heading out to High Point in North Carolina this weekend, and I'll be gone for 5 days with Anthony. And we're going to High Point Market. So I'm going to be MIA for a couple of days. And, I'm just going to go and relax and enjoy some time off and not have to worry about the house and go and hang out with Anthony for his business trip that he has to go on. So I'm tagging along. But yeah, it'll be nice to go and just get away from the house and get away from all the construction and the dust and the noise and all of that. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. So super excited. Again, I'll try my best to post a video and show you guys an update, but I promise I will give you a full out tour of not just the studio, but of the new house once it's all in order, cleaned up, and it doesn't look like an absolute disaster. Once all these tradespeople are done and gone and finished, and I can actually clean the place. But I'm super excited to show you guys what's coming up. But enough of all that. Here's the close-up. Look at that shimmer. I hope you guys enjoyed me talking and jibber-jabbering and giving you an update on what's going on in life. But I hope you guys also enjoyed this painting. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I hope you guys watch it all and head on over to the old video, 651, if you want, and watch the original if you want to get the names of the paints, colors, and all that stuff I used. All right, because that will be in the original video of 651. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the update. I'll try and post more videos of the studio renovation, but that's it. I'm getting ready for High Point, and I'll see you guys soon. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.